Hello there friends, so today I'm gonna remove the DPF of this 2018 Sprinter. I'm gonna start with the temperature sensor here. I tried to unbolt it, but it's not moving at all. And I'm gonna try to open the temperature sensor here. This is the NOx sensor. So I'm gonna open this sensor. Just need a bit of strength. This is very easy now. It's good. In the 17 spanner. Straight hand, yeah. No. It's a bit of soot on the sensor, look. I'm removing this DPF because the ash content is too high. So I'm gonna remove it and clean it. Just did wanna pinch the cable. We have the temperature sensor here. We're just gonna leave it aside, not be in our way. And this one will stay on the DPF because it's solid seals there, so I don't want to open to mess about with this, because this one's good, it's still working. So I'm gonna leave it here. Next I'm gonna open the clamp. I have a bolt here. Now in order to open that bolt you need the 13 socket. It's going very easy. Surprising, because this one's very rusty, but anyway, lucky for now. That's good. So now we have a small, it's a bracket what's holding the pipe for the pressure sensor. It's a 10 there. So we're gonna open that one, and after that we're gonna go under the van and undo that pipe there, that sensor, and it's another pipe down there, so we need to open all of that. It's a bit hard to see, but you're gonna see it's a bracket with 10 bolt. I'm gonna use the ratchet spanner on it. Yeah, so I have the bracket off. It was very hard filming by myself with one hand, but this is the small bracket what's holding the two pipes. And this is the small nut, so it's going right there where you see that bolt. Now we need to open the sensor. Let's see if we can reach from here. open the pipe. Let's see. So I'm gonna try to open this saw. That sensor there, and the pressure pipe going to the pressure sensor there. So I'm gonna try to open them and I'll be back. Yeah, so unfortunately I couldn't open that sensor or the pipe, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna disconnect the sensor. It's connected right there. So I'm gonna disconnect the sensor and I'll leave it on DPF, and the pipe I'm gonna leave it on DPF, and I'll open the pressure sensor on top. I'm gonna show you in a minute. So now I'm gonna take this off. Bring a screwdriver now. Actually, I found a better position down here, and you can see the red sensor, and I managed to crack it open. So I think we're gonna open. So I managed to open the pipe. There is a pipe and the sensor as well. Now we have another pipe here. So this one, the same, is going to the pressure sensor. I'm gonna open this one. Holding my camera with the other hand, so it's a bit hard for me, but here I am. It's open now. Now it's free. Now the next thing what you need to do, have the NOx sensor there. So you need to open the NOx sensor. We have the AdBlue injector here. You need to open that as well. We have another NOx sensor there in the back. There. So we need to open that one as well. So I need a 22 spanner. This one. I opened it before a bit. It's because it was very tight. So I take it off. Just like there. Now we open the back one. The back one is the same. This is tight. Hold on. So it didn't work with the spanner. Now I'm gonna use this bad boy to see. Anyway, this sensor is faulty, but I don't want to break it inside, so give it a shot with this and I'll be back with you. So it's moving. Put some double before it can lock. So after a good fight, I had it off, and I managed that without pulling the threads. So still have the threads there, so all good here. Now we're gonna move to the front, and we're gonna open this one. We're gonna open the AdBlue injector. In order to do that, we need a E6. So we need a E6. Put it there. Just open that one. Take this off. Spread a bit. the injector, it's out. It's a bit dirty. It's not that bad. We're gonna clean it a bit before it's put back everything back. So I'm gonna throw it there just to make sure we don't break it. Now need to open this, and after that remove the exhaust. I think we have a 13 there on top. Now we have the clamp off. So what we need to do is to remove this one, this, and that. So I need to pull this out in order to take the exhaust off. So I have the exhaust off. Now I have the 2 bolts there, those 2 bolts. And it's another 2 down there, down here. This 2 here, it's just in front on DPF. So I'm gonna open those 2 bolts and the bolts here in the back. Now you have it, the DPF is off. I couldn't film this because I'm filming alone and it's a bit of a struggle to take it out, but it's coming back here very easy. And because look, so it's here. And because of this sensor in the front, it's getting hot in the pipe, so I need a bit of a wiggle, but other than that it's going out very nice here. So you have plenty of space to take it out here.